Welcome to Dubai, where dreams rise higher than the sky. Burj Khalifa, sunrise. Home to the tallest tower in the world, a symbol of ambition, power, and endless possibility. City life. This is a city built on vision, where the future is not coming, it is already here. Dubai Marina, where luxury meets the sea, and every moment feels like a masterpiece. Palm Jumeirah, a man-made wonder, shaped by imagination, rising from the heart of the ocean. Dubai Desert. Beyond the city lights lies the desert, silent, golden, and endlessly powerful. Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. Here, the roots of history still breathe, telling stories of tradition and heritage. Burj Al Arab, a symbol of unmatched luxury, where elegance reaches its highest form. Dubai Mall, a world within a city, filled with energy, culture, and endless